Starting a YouTube channel or creating TikTok videos is easier than ever, but looking professional is what sets great creators apart. Good video quality is important, but clear audio, stable shots, and proper lighting make an even bigger difference. That's where a vlogging kit helps. A solid vlogging kit turns your phone into a mini studio. You get better sound, brighter lighting, and smoother video, all in one setup. Whether you're filming daily vlogs, interviews, live streams, or social media content, the right gear saves time and improves quality. Today, we're looking at 5 powerful smartphone vlogging kits that help creators shoot like pros without complicated setups. Let's jump in. Number 1. Yeaki Vlogging Kit for iPhone/Android. This is a true all-in-one mobile studio for creators. It includes a selfie stick tripod, dual LED fill lights, a wireless microphone, and a smart remote. Perfect for TikTok, YouTube, interviews, and live streaming. The dual mic wireless system delivers clear studio quality sound with plug-and-play simplicity. No apps needed. It runs up to 12 hours and charges quickly in just 2 hours. With Type-C and Lightning receivers, it works smoothly with both iPhone and Android. The 79-foot transmission range lets you move freely while recording. The detachable fill lights offer warm, cool, and natural tones with adjustable brightness, helping you shoot in any lighting condition. The aluminum tripod extends from 11.6 to 71 inches and rotates 360 degrees for flexible angles. If you want a professional starter kit that covers audio, lighting, and stability, this is a fantastic choice. Number 2. Zhiyun Smooth 4 Gimbal Stabilizer for smartphone, iPhone, Android. This one is for creators who want cinematic, smooth video. The Zhiyun Smooth 4 is a powerful smartphone gimbal that stabilizes your footage, removing shakes and jitters. It features phone go mode for fast scene transitions, plus focus pull and zoom controls right on the handle. You also get time-lapse and object tracking features to create dynamic content. Two-way charging allows longer runtime, so your phone can stay powered while filming. Balancing the phone correctly is important for best performance, but once set up, it delivers incredibly smooth shots. If you love travel vlogs, action shots, or moving scenes, this gimbal is a game changer. Number 3. Acer Auto Face Tracking Tripod for iPhone/cellphone/Android. This is perfect for solo creators. The AI face tracking automatically follows your face or body without needing an app. It keeps you centered in the frame while you move. Gesture control makes it feel futuristic. Show an OK sign to start tracking and an open palm to pause. It includes a mini ring light with warm, cool, and natural modes for better lighting. The tripod converts into a selfie stick, floor stand, or handheld stabilizer. It's compact and foldable for travel. The quad-pod base provides strong stability even when fully extended. If you record alone and need automatic tracking, this kit makes filming much easier. Number 4. BEFAME Vlogging Kit for iPhone/Android. This is a premium content creator setup. It combines AI face tracking, a clip-on microphone, and dual LED lights in one system. The smart tripod follows your face automatically and uses gesture control. No app needed. The microphone delivers clear sound and reduces background noise, running up to 12 hours on a single charge. Dual LED lights offer 3 tones and brightness levels for perfect lighting in any environment. The Bluetooth remote can snap photos, start videos, and even scroll on TikTok. It folds down small for travel, but extends to 63 inches for flexible shooting. If you want a polished, professional look for social media, this kit delivers. Number 5. USKEYVISION Smartphone Vlogging Kit. This is a simple but powerful starter kit. It includes a cardioid microphone with windscreen to capture clear sound while reducing background noise. The adjustable fill light offers 1% to 100% brightness and color temperature from warm to cool. The specially designed phone clip fits many smartphone models and connects to a tripod with a 360-degree ball head for easy angle control. You also get multiple cables, phone covers, and a premium carrying case. This kit is great for beginners who want better video and audio without spending too much. So, those were 5 excellent vlogging kits for different creators and budgets. If you want a full professional setup, the complete dual mic kit is a strong pick. For cinematic movement, a gimbal is the best choice. Solo creators will love AI tracking tripods. And beginners can start easily with a simple mic and light kit. The right gear doesn't just improve quality, it boosts confidence and creativity too. If this video helped you, consider liking and subscribing for more creator gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and keep creating amazing content.